everyone. Do you want to cook or do you love cooking? I know not all of us know how to cook even simple dish, but I know we love to eat. Cooking is an essential skill in life that we must learn, even simple recipes. Cooking refers to the process and techniques of using food or combination of foods to achieve a product which is edible, palatable, aesthetically pleasing, and microbiologically safe, and conserve nutrients in the foods or foods. A video presentation of cooking demonstration of some simple recipes tested in a home kitchen. They are the following: the eggplant fricassee, tofu alamat, apple and potato salad. Okay, let's start cooking. Today we are going to prepare eggplant fricassee. So you have to clean all your surroundings. This is very important in food preparation. And also you have to prepare all the ingredients that you need in eggplant fricassee. So to start, I would like to introduce all the ingredients. This is talong, eggplant, the tomato sauce, the oil, the egg, the cheese, the bell pepper, the flour, and the onions for sauteing. Okay? So first we have to cut the eggplant according to your desired cut. So usually we call it quartered. So we will cut the talong, then we will cut it into 4 if the talong is malaki. Pero pag maliit naman siya, pwede na ganito, half lang. Okay? So in order to avoid the discoloration of the eggplant, we have to so this eggplant is 1 kilo. This is all washed na. So before you prepare, we have to wash all the ingredients. So you have to remove the seeds. Bell pepper are used for giving color to your dish. For the cheese, it's 1/2. 1/2 for 1 kilo of 1 kilo of. The onions slice. Everyone, so this morning we are going to prepare eggplant fricassee. So for the ingredients, we have here the eggplant, the egg, the shredded cheese, the bell pepper, the onions, and the flour, all-purpose flour, the oil, and the tomato sauce. So after cutting the eggplant, you have to cut it, we call it quartered. We have to make a mixing or breading mixture. So 2 cups of water and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Okay, so we have to mix it. Put salt, and black pepper, and the 2 pieces of egg. So we have to mix it. Another cup of all-purpose flour for the breading mixture to make it more sticky. A little sticky so it will stick to the eggplant before frying it. Heat the oil. Okay, what we are doing now is for our eggplant fricassee sauce. Okay, so we have to put a little of oil. And the cheese. So it will mix the eggplant. The sauce to the eggplant. Finished product for our eggplant fricassee. If you want to add some variation, you can bake this. Okay, for our tofu alamat, so our ingredients are the carrots, 2 pieces of carrots, 1 kilo of tofu or tokwa, 2 pieces of bell pepper, and 1 piece of onion, and vegetarian mushroom oyster sauce, and mayonnaise, and iodized salt. So next is we have to saute garlic and onion. Oil is already hot. We have to put the bell pepper or red or green. It will also add color. The carrot is already hot, so you can now add the tofu. Okay, so we have here the cooked potato. My apple and potato versions salad. Ready for chewing. And serve this when it's cold. I hope you enjoy our cooking presentation. How about you? What do you want to cook? There is a saying that the nearest to man's heart is through his stomach. The Bible says in 1 Corinthians 10:31, whether therefore you eat or drink or whatsoever you do all to the glory of God. That's all for today. Have fun in cooking. Bye everyone.